So just like the addition property of equality, there's also a subtraction property of equality. So again, if A equals B, then this time A minus C equals B minus C. So if you subtract the same value from both sides are still equal. So let's say that x equals 10 again. If we subtract 3 from both sides, x minus 3, it will still be equal to 10 minus 3. Number 15 says multiplying both sides of an equation by the same value will not change the truth value of the equation. This is the multiplication property of equality. So again, if A equals B, if we multiply both sides by C, they'll still be equal to each other. So same example, if you have x equal to 10, that means that x times 3, no matter what, will still equal 10 times 3. Finally, we have the division property of equality. If A equals B, then A divided by C is equal to B divided by C, as long as C is not equal to 0, because again, you can never have C or 0 in the denominator. So let's use x equals 10 again. This means that x divided by 3 is still going to be equal to 10 divided by 3. Now, number 17 says a value may be substituted for its equal. So this is just the substitution property. Meaning that if A equals B, then A may be substituted for B, or B may be substituted for A. So they can be substituted for each other. E dot O, abbreviation. So let's say that x equals 5, and you're given the equation x plus y equals z. That means that you can rewrite it as 5 plus y equals z. Number 18, a real number is always equal to itself. When something's equal to itself, we say that we're using the reflexive property. It's also known as the identity property of equality. So this means that whatever number A must be equal to itself. So fairly simple. If you're given the number 12, it must be equal to itself, which is 12. Number 19 says that quantities that are equal can be read forwards or backwards. This is going to be the symmetric property of equality. So if we have A equal to B, that's the same thing as B equal to A. Simple example, if 3.5 is equal to 3 1/2, that means that 3 1/2 is also equal to 3.5. Our final two examples, The first, number 20, if two numbers are equal to the same number, then those two numbers are also equal to each other. This is the transitive property of equality. And it means that if A equals B and B equals C, that means that A must equal C. So a good example of that would be to say if 2A equals 10 and 10 equals 4B, then 2A must equal 4B. So in other words, if 2A equals 10 and 10 is also equal to 4B, then this must be equal to 4B. Finally, for two real numbers A and B, A is either equal to B, greater than B, or less than B. And it really is common sense here, but it is still a property. So we're going to call this the law of trichotomy. I will spell that out. The law of trichotomy. So it means no matter what, exactly one of the following must be true.